Okay, we have a trial period is 1 day. Okay, maybe tomorrow I can able to access, but query won't trigger because if I trigger, it will ask money. Okay. Before that, let me see whether I can able to save. Okay, this will less roll like this. Okay. I will load this. Okay, so last class we have discussed about the rank and the dense rank, right? Okay. Today we will discuss about the row number. So here, if you come up right here, what this row number does is, it does not matter whether you have a duplicate record or a unique record. It will generate the sequence number. Okay, I'll show you. We have started recording, right? Yeah. Okay. One second. Okay, right. Let me open this Excel sheet. Hmm. So yesterday we have discussed about the rank, right? So based on the rank logic, so based on the marks, we have created a dense rank and a normal rank. So if we have seen this, when you use the rank and you will get the 1, 2, 2, and it will skip into 4, something like that. Here you can see this. So in the rank, you will get the exact sequence number. Okay. Now this row number. Okay. Here we have a dense rank. Here also it's the same dense rank only. Okay, now here if I give a row number, right? Okay, so whatever you give any column, it does not matter actually. Okay, so what it does, it will generate the record count, record sequence number like 1, okay, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Whether if you want to give based on the serial number or based on the dollar value, based on the name, it does not matter for row number. It will just create a sequence wise, it will create the row number. Okay. So now you see in the real time how we can execute this and how we can see the data. Okay. Okay, right. Okay. So this is our student table, right? In this student table, select star from table. Hmm. So consider here, this is your uh, consider. I mean, this is the student number, and this is our respective marks. Correct. Now consider this is your actual ID. Otherwise, what I will do, I will add here a duplicate ID and we will see how this rank and it will work. So same data, I'm going to insert once again in this table. Okay. Okay. Now we got the duplicate data inside this table. Okay. Now we will see uh, order by S and O. Now you say you will get the sequence by order number 1111. You have a duplicate records. Now for that also, now if I use a row number, it will create a unique record. Okay, so what I will do, I will comment this one. Okay, now you see row number. Okay, open bracket and over open bracket and close bracket inside, right? Order by SNO. You just give as hmm, unique record. Unique record. Hmm? Now I'll execute this query. See here, you see unique record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 records, 14 sequence number it has given. So same data, what I will do, I'll copy, paste in Excel sheet. Now the second scenario, I'll tell you by using this data. Okay, now here you have a sequence number is this one. Actually, if you see, these two are duplicate records. Generally, if you take this two, it is a duplicate. Okay, one is the original and another one is duplicate. Similarly, one is original and another one is duplicate here. Correct. Now, how do I generate like this? Based on the column, I want to generate 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, something like this. To do that, how do I get this means? In the row number only, what you have to do, on which basis you are identifying duplicate, right? That column you need to use as a partition by. Okay. So partition by, okay, SNO. If you give like that, what will happen? For entire table, it will check whether do I have a same record in this table, same number in this table or not. It will check, and then it will sort the data first. So like this, it will sort. First time, what it does actually, first time it will give you the one sequence, and for the next one, it will give you the second record. Again, if it changed, then again it will start with the one, and it will for the second one, it will give you the second rank, second sequence number. Again, if there are value got changed, for example, now here I have a 7 record, for example. Okay, now here 3 records I have, correct? In this case, what it does, it will generate 1, 2 and 3, something like this it will generate actually. So like this also, our rank row number, analytical function, it will help us to eliminate the duplicate records. Okay, so this is how we can delete the duplicate records. So now you see here, I have added this here, right? So now just check, I'll give you the here order by SNO, so that you can easily identify. You see, 1, 2. Now, if I select one, whether I will get unique record or not, I'll take this data, okay, and here I'll copy paste, okay. Now, after that, what I will do, I'll apply the filter condition. Okay. If I take one, will I get only unique record or not? See, I got the unique records. Correct only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I select a greater than 1, I'll get the duplicate record. Correct? This is my duplicate record. So I will eliminate this duplicate records. So like this also, whenever you identify any data. So yesterday I showed you, right? I will explain you by using the delete and insert or update and set, we can make it SCD type 1, or by using the analytical function also we can make the SCD type 1. So now here, where is the screenshot? Yeah, here. So today you got the data 50 and you loaded the data into stage table. This is your snapshot table with the particular day 1. Okay, you loaded the data. And after applying the unique analytical function like this, okay, now day 1 you will have a unique records and with the order by day 1. Okay, order by partition by your serial number. So you will have 1 to 50. At that time, what will happen? Those 50, you already those are unique. It will give you the rank as a 1. So that the data will be loaded as it is 50 here. Okay. And next time, if you get 25 as a new records and 25 as a update, then what will happen? when you insert here 50, okay, day 2, then 25 will be given as a rank 1, and here in 25 it will give you the rank 2. So when you select the data, okay, where rank equal to 1, then what will happen? You will get the 75 records here. So that you can indirectly, you whether you created SCD type 1 or not, the same logic. So something like that we can use, okay, this row number to apply to create the SCD type 1 table as well. So in where we can use this analytical function, how we can use this in real time. Now if you see here, okay, now this is your Oracle database. In Oracle database, you can simply use the delete and insert to make the SCD type 1. Okay, SCD type 1. And in Oracle, update else insert, use the update or insert, then you can make the SCD type 1. Okay. Now in Hive, you don't have a delete and update concept. Means these functions will not work. So at that time, how will you do? By using this analytical function, you can make the SCD type 1. How? Because all the data, whenever you insert the data, right, you need to insert the data based on the current timestamp. So I will show you here. We have taken the current timestamp also here, right? Now you see, I'll show you. In the same query, I'll take the current timestamp. Okay. Now I will rerun again. Just check for the older record. Okay. I'll take this current timestamp. No, no. What is the date? What is the data type? Column name. It's load date. Okay. Now I'll use the load date here. And load date by descending order. Now you just check. Okay. Now you see. Okay. So now based on the insert GMT timestamp, it will generate the unique records. So I'll show you first. Okay. So 1 1, but you have some different dates. Okay. 4 12 7, and this one you have a 2 12. Okay. Because today we loaded the data, right? So this was loaded on 2nd of December. This was loaded on 4th of December. Now you see for 4th of December, which is loaded, it is given the rank 1. For the older record, it has given the rank 2. Now if I select only one, whether will I get unique records or not? See, this is how we can implement SCD type 1. Only the thing is you need to overwrite entire table. Means what you have to do, you need to create a 3 steps actually. One is actual stage 1. Here always flush and fill, and stage 2, it is your snapshot. Okay, always insert into with the date. Okay, and then your final table. Yep. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. I think it is not recording. Let me record the session again. No, it is already recording. Okay, fine. Okay, it is recording. Okay, so like this, what we can do, we can do. So this will help you to understand. I have shared already. Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
No, sir. No, no.
Okay. Okay, okay. Let me stop sharing. Again, I will reshare. Now, okay, wait a minute. Okay, disconnected. Okay, let me know. Okay, once you till the time I will explain. Okay. Okay. So whatever we have discussed, right? Using that rank logic, we can identify the duplicate records. Mm. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen again. Mm. Yeah. Okay. So like this, we can eliminate the duplicate records. Okay. As of now, you forget about SCD type and all. Okay, but like this we can easily identify the our duplicate records. Okay, so however how many records, it does not matter. Okay, so if you see again, what I will do, I'll insert the data. Okay, same data with the two different records. Okay, here I'll give a 9, here I will give 10. Names, let it be same. Okay, I will execute again. Okay, done. Now come back, come down, and let me execute this again. Hmm? Okay, I'll take the data. I'll copy paste it here. Okay, now you see, okay, for one, the latest record. This is the latest record, 14/7/25. This is 4/12/7/10. Okay, and this is 2 December. Okay, so now you see, for this particular record, the rank, I mean the rank was generated 1 and 2, partitioned by your sequence id. So based on the column of which unique id you have given in the uh, partition by column. Okay, now based on this. Okay, so this partition by is very important. Okay, in case if you want to identify any duplicate records, that is very very important. So like this, in real time, we can delete the duplicate data as well. Okay. So we need to assign the rank logic. And if it is greater than 1, just delete the data. Okay. Something like that, you can delete. Now you see, for the 9 and 10, okay, you will have a unique number because there is no duplicate. First time it has arrived, right? So you will get anyway unique record. Now see, if you select here, if you select here 1, you will get only unique data. Greater than 1, all duplicate data. Okay, if I remove this one, these are all duplicate data. Like this we need to. So in interview, they will ask the question, how can I delete the data? So generally we will practice in Oracle, right? So we will say row id concept, but actually we need to tell using this analytical function. Okay, then easily you can able to delete the data. If you have a load date, yes, you can take the order by load date. In case if you don't have, then tell them just take the order by serial number only and generate that duplicate records. And then he will ask which is the latest one, because there is no load date. How can we identify whether it is a latest or older one? So in case if you have a load date or something insert GMT timestamp, yes, we can, by using that we can identify, yeah, which is the latest one we can consider as a unique, and which is greater than one, then we can tell as those are a duplicate. Like that you need to explain in interview. Okay, this is how you need to explain this. This is the row number. Okay, now there is another function called, okay, lead and lag. Before that, what I will do, I'll go to the sum. Okay. So this sum, what exactly it does means the salary, it will sum actually. How this will sum, I will show you. Okay. So I'll comment this one again. You need to give a salary or total marks, something you need to give. Okay. And over, over partition by order by SNO. Based on which column you want to give, those that column you have to assign as total sum ordered by SNO. Okay. Now you just check what will happen. Okay. Even I don't know. Just check. So sum, you need to give some column name. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll give marks because we have a duplicate data, right? So we will see. Hmm. I'm just giving here. Hmm. Okay. Now you just check. Always you need to copy paste in Excel sheet and you need to understand. Okay. Then only you can able to easily understand what data I have, what is the output I got it. Hmm. Now you just check. Total marks. How much you have? 9,690 total. Okay. But how much you got here? 1590. Order by what you have taken? Order by you have taken the serial number, right? Now you just see the three, these three. What is the record count? Total marks 1590. Okay, order by you have taken. Again, the order by got changed right here. Okay, for that again Vijay. Same. Similarly, what it does actually, this total sum, it will add like this. It means now you see this 1590 is there, right? Okay, this 1590 plus 1590 plus again this 1590. 318. It means it will append your actual marks, okay, based on the order. Now this 318, okay, 318 plus again this 530, sorry, 600. So when you sum, no, so total 800. This one. When you sum this one, 1800 plus this your this one plus your 1800. Okay, 4980. Like this it will accumulate the value, okay, one by one. Okay, no, I want to see partition by. It means total just this much, how much value I have total. Then see, I'll show you the difference between group by and an analytical function. Okay, first I will uh, take this and partition by S and O. What it does, student number ID level, it will sum the marks. Okay, now you just check how you will get the data. So in this advantage, what is the advantage here is, okay, now you see for this particular ID total, if you sum how much you have, 1590, and here also you got the 1590. But you are selecting serial number, S name, marks, load date, and everything. Overall sum of value it is displaying for each record. But in the group by, you will get only respective column. Means you cannot able to take the other columns too. Like select SNO, sum of, okay, marks as total from, okay, from row by SN1. Now you see ID level, you will be getting the total marks. See for one, 1590. But in select statement, if you generally, if you take the data, other columns like SN name, what are columns we have, marks, and then load date, then it will give you the unique data. I mean, as it is, it will display. It will not give you the total value. But when compared to analytical function, what will happen? Here you will have an advantage called you can select all the columns, okay, and you can get the total of your serial number wise. Like in interview, you will get the department wise sum of salary, okay, something like that. So at that time, you will get the when you use the group by, what will happen? In what we do actually in group by, we write like this, okay, select DEPTNO, comma, sum of salary from EMP, from EMP group by DEPT number. We write like this, so that we will get the department and total sum. But you cannot able to get the employee number, other values. If you take the employee number, again what will happen? It will execute the query, but you will get the same data what you have in the table, because it will check the at column levels what you take the sum. But this analytical function, what it does, you can select all the columns and it will give you the that particular respective total sum of salary, department wise, ID wise, however you want. Okay, so it will sum the data. So now you see this 500, we know 500, 500 we have, right? Total, if you sum how much, you have a 1500. So for each line, it will print the 1500, 1500 like this. This is the advantage we have by using the analytical function. Okay. So you can execute average, minimum, maximum. You can do anything. Okay. So here this analytical function, right? Here you have we have taken, right? Here, for example, now here I have a 530 for one serial number one. Again, if I have a 531 here, and if I have a 340 here, for example, now if I select a minimum, what will happen? Which is minimum? 340 is the minimum, right? This 340 it will display like this for these three. If you take the maximum, it will print this for maximum value like this for each record. Okay, so like this, if you take the average, for example, 1500 1590 divided by 3 generally. Okay, so this is, it will take the total, right? 1401, then divided by 3 average, it will display. So like this analytical function, it will help. So where we use this kind of analytical functions means sometimes we use in data science also. Okay. So like these analytical functions are very, very useful. In real time, generally in real time, which we use dense rank, and row number. Maximum we use these three. Okay. And depending on the requirement, we use some minimum, maximum. In case if there is any special requirement, if we have, at that time only we use. And the rest of these two, the other two we have, right? Lead and lag. It is very simple actually. I'll show you. So by looking at the data, then only you will understand what is the difference between lead and lag, and how the data will display. Okay, just we will check that also. Hmm? Lead over order by SNO. Lead. Okay. Just check whether it will execute or fail. So this is failed actually, because you need to give any one column. So what I will do, I'll give the marks here, for example. Hmm? Okay. Yeah, I'll give the marks. So we have a same marks, right? So it has given same result. So what I will do, I will update here marks. 530. Now what I'll truncate the data first. Okay, truncate table name. Yeah. Now I will insert this data. Okay. Now again I will insert. Hmm. Okay. Now we can see the difference. Okay. What is the help of lead and lag? Hmm. So actually, if you see, lead means what it is, the first value what we have, right? That will remove, and from the second value it will take 510 in the first record. Okay, 530 in the second record. Okay, 340 in the third record. Like this. Finally, if you see this 42, you will have here, and here it will null. So like this particular value in the first record, whether it is a 530, whatever it will be, first record it will eliminate, from the second one it will take. That is the lead. And now if you see the lag, I'll take both. Okay, I'll take the lead and lag here so that you can see the difference. Now you just check. So what has been done here for the lead function? It has ignored first one, and then from the second it has taken the values. Okay. So if you see here, you got the 3762, and if you sum this same for lag, it is reverse. Okay, vice versa. 530 it has inserted in second record, and similarly 430 here. This 42 is